Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing and packaging to share with you guys. I recognize the name on the front of this package. This is actually from Ohio Knife Lover. Just want to make sure that I got that correct. You can follow him on Instagram, and I believe he's got a YouTube channel as well. In any case, I can't remember what he sent me, so we're going to find out together. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. If you'd like to get your hands on some of these cool stickers and some other benefits and perks, there is, of course, a link right down in the description. Your support would mean the world to me. And please, make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right. The cards are on there to keep the private information from being shared. We have a CJRB. What CJRB are we looking at here today? Oh, yes, that's right. I forgot. This is the new Centros in Micarta. But see, here's the reason I wanted to look at this. Not just because it was Micarta, because it was contoured. The original Centros is not contoured. It's got that kind of CJRB-esque blocky, thick G10. So contouring the G10, or contouring the Micarta in this case, not only gives it a different appearance, but it also gives it a different ergonomic. The entire thing is totally different in terms of ergonomics. That was one of the only complaints that I had about this knife, because this is an amazing knife. The Centros in general is definitely one of the best budget knives that you can get right now, blocky G10 or not. But this contoured Micarta, oh boy, I'm tempted to pick this up for myself. I can't remember if this one's still available or not. In any case, I will link the Centros in G10 and the version of Micarta. The Micarta one's going to be a little more expensive right down below. It's still a great price. I want to say the G10 version's like 35 to 40. The Micarta version is like between 50 and 60. Either way, they're both incredibly recommendable. I mean, I'm going to do an overview on this guy. Everything's the same on this version as far as I can tell, except they have upgraded, and I'm going to use that term, upgraded, the scales with contoured Micarta. And yeah, that's a huge benefit in my opinion. This is a wonderful, wonderful variant of this knife. Pick this up if you don't have it. I mean, if you like how this looks and you like the idea of a D2 and Micarta blade on bearings, thumb stud opener, right? This is appealing to you. It's very recommendable. You can pick it up right down in my description. Ohio Knife Lover, thank you so much for sending this. We'll talk more about it in a separate video. Oh, does he have his... No, he didn't put anything out. He just said, don't be afraid to use it. Hey, thanks, man. I appreciate it. All right, guys. That's going to be pretty much it for today's video. Very, very cool. Very excited about that one. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.